In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the configuration progress problem in Microsoft Office on Windows, specifically when using Microsoft Word. The configuration progress issue in Microsoft Office is a common problem that many users face, especially after updates or reinstallation. You might encounter a message that says, "Please wait while Windows configures Microsoft Office," and the process can seem stuck or take longer than expected. While this can be frustrating, there are a few steps you can take to fix it and get back to working in Word without any delays. First, the easiest solution is to simply restart your computer. Sometimes a restart can help resolve issues related to the installation or update process, especially if the configuration progress is stuck. After restarting, open Microsoft Word and check if the problem persists. If it's fixed, great. If not, move on to the next step. Next, check for any pending updates for Microsoft Office. Microsoft regularly releases updates that can fix bugs and improve performance. To do this, open any Office application, like Word, and go to the File tab. Click on Account, and then select Update Options under Product Information. From the drop-down, choose Update Now. Office will check for updates and install any available patches, which may fix the configuration progress issue. If updating doesn't resolve the problem, the next step is to try a quick repair of Microsoft Office. This can help fix issues without affecting your documents or settings. To perform a repair, go to the control panel on your computer. Click on App and Features, find Microsoft Office in the list, and select it. Then, click Modify, then click Yes. The small window appear at the top of the window. You'll be given two repair options: Quick Repair and Online Repair. Start with Quick Repair, as it's faster and doesn't require an internet connection. If that doesn't work, try the Online Repair option, which is more thorough and may take longer to complete. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the configuration progress problem and get back to working in Word and other Office applications. Hopefully, these solutions will help you avoid any more disruptions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.